Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making braised potatoes with tofu, a super cozy and comforting dish that's really popular in Northeast China. It's rich, hearty, and perfect with a bowl of rice. Alright, let's get started. First, peel your potatoes and cut them into chunks. Then grab a block of firm tofu. I'm using brine tofu, the kind with a strong soybean aroma. And instead of cutting it, just tear it into rough pieces by hand. That gives it a great texture later. Next, slice up some pork belly. For aromatics, we will need some chopped scallions, minced green chili, chopped cilantro, a few dried chilies, and 1 star anise. Everything is ready. Let's cook. Heat some oil in the wok. Add the tofu pieces and fry them until the surface turns beautifully golden. Then take them out and set aside. No need to change the oil. Now add the pork slices and stir fry until the color changes. Add the dried chilies and star anise. Stir fry until fragrant. And then add 1 tablespoon of yellow bean paste. Keep stirring until you smell that deep savory aroma. Now toss in the potato chunks. Give everything a good stir so the potatoes get coated in that flavor. Pour in 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Season with 1 teaspoon of Chinese 13 spices powder and mix everything well. Add hot water, just enough to cover the ingredients. And once it comes to a boil, let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Then add the fried tofu back in, plus 1 teaspoon of MSG and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Cover the lid and simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. Time's up, let's take a look. The potatoes are soft and breaking apart a little. Perfect. Now sprinkle in the scallions, chopped green chili, and cilantro. Oh wow, that fragrance instantly fills the kitchen. Give it a gentle toss and we are ready to plate. Look at that! The tofu is tender and soaked with flavor, and the potatoes are soft and creamy. Let me have a taste. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. The tofu is so flavorful, and the potatoes just melt in your mouth. And the sauce? I could pour it over everything. You've got to try this at home. It's simple, hearty, and absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.